Houston is facing cold, blustery conditions today along with the entire southeast Texas. Temperatures will fall through Friday morning. This cold rain will transition into sleet and even snow by tomorrow morning. Without sunshine and breezy north winds, it will stay cold all day, with feels like temperatures dipping into the 30s.
Really cold. It's freezing cold. I'm kind of sick too.
Pretty cold out here this afternoon in Houston, Texas. So you guys stay warm. Dress warm. Have a great day. God bless.
Well, the weather is cold. We love it. We thank God for it. Everybody will be happy when it goes off. We're going to appreciate that.
Tonight, an upper-level disturbance will move overhead, bringing the chance for cold rain that could mix with snow north of the I-10 corridor. Surface temperatures are forecasted to stay above freezing, limiting travel hazards. Texas Department of Transportation and personnel at Offices of Emergency Management are closely monitoring current conditions. Their biggest concern is freezing rain on some of the higher road structures. TxDOT said that they are also ready to move crews to make sure whatever pre-treatment can be provided to the roads, specifically overpasses and bridges, as they are exposed and suspended and could freeze before roadways on the ground if temperatures fall below freezing mark. Reporting live from NTV Houston.